was where I made the error. I think the other one I played something Bibi Basebi. So okay guys, with this one I'm going to make it quick because it's a correction to a cover I made, a piano cover I made of At the Center of It All by Eben in the key of G. So I think I made a mistake in that song, which I'm going to correct in this video, and so I'll play the song as fast as I can, then go on to the breakdown. If you want to check out the song, you can check it up. I would add it to the card at the top right side of your video if you are watching on YouTube. So let's take a peek of the song. That was where I made the error. I think the other one I played something Bibi Basebi. So the actual notes for that part was so ti do ti. So that is 5 7 1 7 5 7 6 4. That's ti la fa. Then 6 5 3. That's la so mi re do. So that's more like la so mi re do. Then it relaxes again. 6 5 3 2 1. Then it relaxes before you go 1 2 3 5 4. That's do re mi so fa. So again. Da, 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 da. Again. Da, 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 da. That was where I made the error. I think I played something like this, which was there wasn't a break, but the actual song there was a break. That was alright. So the whole song in general, that's at the center of it all. That's 1, which is do, is you that I see. That is 5, which is so, is you that I see. 6, which is la. Then so 5 6 5 4 6 5 4. So with that, the left hand plays the first chord, and the right hand plays the first chord, and the left hand plays the sixth note. So you'd have G major over an E. So G major over an E, then it goes to D major, which is so, and it goes to C major. Alright, so okay, at that point I played Someone would also choose this chord. Basically, it's just 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Do, mi, so, ti. So you have the next one was do, ti, so, la. 1, 7, 5, 6. You get it? So you have 1, 7, 5, 6. You get it? As we lift us a prayer. That is La, So, 6, 5 to 4. So 6, 5. Basically, that's the chords. 1 to 5 to 6. There is power in your name. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 7, 5, 6. So basically, that's the foundation of the whole song. If I should do that same song in C, you have something like this. C major is you that I see. G major, that's the 5, it's you that I see. The C, that's the La. That's 6, 5, 4. La, so, fa. There is power in your name. There is power in your name. Do, mi, so, ti. Miracles happening. Lift a voice and pray. Basically, that's the song, and the round that we did in C, J, and C, it would be. That's so, ti, do, ti, so, la, ti, la, fa, la, so, mi, re, do. Re, mi, so, fa. Then you have some like that's the whole song. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. There are more to come. That will surprise you, trust me.